Samantala, ang inyong GMA Network pa rin ang hinirang na pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaang network ng mga Pilipino sa 27th Reader's Digest Trusted Brands Awards. Kinilala rin ang ating kasama rito sa 24 oras na si Mel Tiangco bilang pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaan namang tagabagbalita. Nakatutok si Bea Pinlac.
Muling hinirang ang GMA Network bilang pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaang network ng mga Pilipino sa 27th Reader's Digest Trusted Brand Awards ceremony. Ang parangal, ika-9 na magkakasunod na taon nang ibinigay sa Kapuso Network. Tinanggap ang parangal ni GMA Network Senior Vice President for Corporate Strategic Planning and Business Development, Chief Risk Officer and Head of Program Support, Reggie C. Bautista.
Aside from our news organization being governed by an ethics and editorial manual, yung integrity and transparency is a way of life in GMA. I think at the heart of what GMA does is really genuine public service. At yung pagsiserbisyong publiko, mahalaga dyan yung tiwala ng tao. Kaya non-negotiable yan para sa GMA.
Si 24 Oras News Anchor at Kapuso Foundation Ambassador Mel Tiangco, kinilala bilang most trusted TV host for news and current affairs.
It took me 44 years to get to this. I will cherish this recognition as most trusted news presenter, for this is the true measure of success. Not just in my profession, but also in any and all other professions for that matter.
Sabi pa ni Tiangco, hindi basta-bastang nakukuha ang tiwala ng mga tao. Dapat daw maging tapat at totoo.
Malaking hirap ang makamtan ng buong-buo ang pagtitiwala ng publiko sa iyo. Yun patuloy na pagsisikap. Pinagsisikapan mo. At pag yan ay naging karakter mo na, nasa pagkatao mo na, madali na. All you need to do is what is right. It's simple. Just do what is right. And people will trust you. Dapat tama ang iyong gawin. Dapat totoo.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Bea Pinlac, Nakatutok 24 Oras.